Just kidding. He's my snuggle bean. I would never, ever hurt Dillinger. Now would I, Dillinger? Huh. Unless you shit in the kitchen or something. Then you're getting your fucking nose rubbed into it. Meow. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh. 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 We're tired. We just came back from LA. And it's fucking almost 12 o'clock. I have to be up super early tomorrow. And so do you. So do you, because you have to go to the bathroom, huh? Who has to do the business? Who still doesn't know how to bark when they have to do the business? And shit's in the fucking kitchen and all over the floor, huh? Order. Order. Oh, did you see my mouth moving? No. Oh, snap. Guess you learned ventriloquism. I think I might have saw my mouth moving. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Oh, hello, Dillinger. A little bit. Working on it just a little bit more. And then pretty soon, it really is going to be the Dillinger Show. And guess who's going to be my ventriloquist dummy? Let's take a look.